Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Season 2 of GAKidsTV. Couldn't be more excited. I hope you all had a safe summer. It was a crazy summer. I know every day something changed. It felt like sometimes we were making history every day. We missed you guys. I don't think we knew when we started this in the spring the impact it was going to have on some people. So we really missed you guys. And we're back. We're going to do another one in the spring. GAKidsTV is here to stay. So I just want to point out I am wearing a mask. Now, we've discussed this. Of course, Brandy and I. Oh, and a big welcome back to Brandy, too. I missed Brandy, not really because we talk all the time outside of GAKidsTV, to be honest. As you guys know, Brandy and I are friends, so... but Brandy and I have discussed it, and we have some viewers that actually do better reading my lips. So I am removing my mask, even though we are, wearing masks in the store. And I hope you all noticed, floral print mask, floral print shirt. You gotta be consistent. Consistency is key. So we have some changes this year. The first one is we had an upgrade. I don't know if you guys can see my fancy microphone. Pretty cool. Look, I can turn my back and you guys can still hear me. That's how I can go down here. All kinds of good stuff. But we actually got this because we are going to do some fun things. We're going to go live on location moving forward. So next week, when this kicks off, we've already given away a tree and we're going to plant it. Now, we couldn't do that in the spring. I can yell this distance, but across a yard, if there's wind, if there's traffic, you're not going to hear me. We're going to lose a lot. Now we've got the mic, we're actually going to show you guys how to plant a tree. Instead of, as you can see, I got no better with artwork over the summer. Literally no better. And I'm borderline rocking a mullet. So my hair didn't get any better either. Other than that, it was great. But yeah, we got this. And then another change to the format. So last year we started GAKidsTV. And we started it when we found out all the kids were going to be home from school. And we wanted to help. We wanted to give something back. We wanted to see if we could ease a burden for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it might be, and have fun, and be educational. So we went live, and it was a lot of fun. You guys might have remembered some disasters. If you saw that episode where our entire set came down in the tree lot. And we were live every day at 11. We're not going to go live anymore because we know a lot of kids are going back to school. So we will be posting to our social media and our YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll just be posting later in the day. You'll still be able to watch them. It'll still be 5 days a week. Hawaiian Shirt Friday is going to be a thing. And we're not changing the actual format. One shot. We're not going to do dramatic cuts and pauses and stuff like that. It's literally going to be one take all the way through. So if my set falls down, my set falls down. My mic cuts out, I'm just going to have to yell. There's going to be a ton of things. We are going to miss the interaction that we got on the live feeds. That's going to suck. But please, 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 leave us your comments, leave us your questions, shoot us your DMs. Keep an eye out for contests. In a couple of weeks, we're going to be discussing bulbs, tulips and daffodils and all of that good stuff. Well, I'm going to give some bulbs away, and then I'm going to come to your house and I'm going to plant them for you. Okay? So we've still got giveaways and contests, and we still want to have feedback, and we still want to talk to you guys. We just can't do it live anymore. So that's the main change in the formatting. But I think the main thing you need to take away from everything I just said is that I'm still going to wear Hawaiian shirts on Friday. That's primarily the most important thing. Yeah. So, and I want to touch on back to school. I know you guys might remember Harry came in and did the episode where we planted the planter for Jenny for Mother's Day. I have a school-age child, and I'm going to tell you right now, what we're going through, we've never gone through before. And much like gardening, there's no right or wrong answer. There isn't one size fits all. So all I'm going to say, whatever your decision to homeschool or to send your kid to school or whatever else, whatever works best for your family and your needs, you have our respect, our love, and our encouragement. Be safe. A huge thank you and mad amount of respect to the teachers. What you guys are facing and what you're doing, this word is used too much, but it's unprecedented. And you're killing it. And I'm sure there's fear, I'm sure there's nerves, maybe some excitement. It is back to school. You haven't seen your kids in however long. But you have our undying respect. Huge shout out to you guys. And to everybody out there who has doubts and concerns and worries, we all do. We all do, no matter the decision. You decide to homeschool, you worry, well, is my kid going to get the social aspect they need because they're not going to be around the friends? You go back to school, you worry, well, is somebody going to have something? Can my kid catch this? There's no right or wrong answer. We're all doing the best we can as parents, and we're making it through this together. One of the purposes of this show is we are all inclusive. We don't care. We don't care race, gender, creed. None of that matters. This plant, this chrysanthemum doesn't care. Why should we? We are fully inclusive and fully supportive, and you have our support. Speaking of that, we got some beautiful fall plants in. Wow, what a segue, eh? And this is a chrysanthemum, and every year I get a mum for my mum. Except this year, she didn't deserve it. No, I'm kidding. She totally deserved it. So I'm going to get my mom a chrysanthemum, and I'm going to go and plant it through. I don't know. I'm going to get yellow or burgundy. I'm certainly not going to get her cabbage because, quite frankly, cabbages are gross. I mean, it looks pretty, but it's cabbage at the end of the day. And but if you like cabbage, hey, you got a cabbage. But we've got beautiful fall flowers in. But like I was saying, the plants don't care. They honestly, our whole mandate is we want to be inclusive. This show was called GAKidsTV. And after maybe the second week, it became very apparent to us it wasn't just kids. We had every demographic watching us, from kids all the way up to seniors. We had people tuning in. I think you remember me saying Scotland, Australia, Brazil, all over Canada, all over the States. People leaving comments. We got comments in languages we had to hit Google Translate on. This is an all-inclusive show, and all we're trying to do is have fun with you, teach you some stuff, give you some guidelines, and just, alleviate some burdens. We're not going to talk about anything political, anything medicinal, anything like that on the show, other than what I've just discussed to set the tone. We're right back to where we were. We're having fun. And on that note, honestly, Brandy and I couldn't wait to get started this year. We've been talking about this since we wrapped up in the fall about what we were going to do and how we could expand and what was going to change with school and how our format had to change to match that. We invested in the microphone. We talked about, let's go live, let's go on people's properties and plant trees and plant bulbs and rake leaves and really get involved, really get the hands dirty and that kind of thing. So we got a full schedule for you guys. This upcoming week, it's all going to be about trees. We're going to do a recap on what is a tree, how a tree changes throughout the season, now that we've seen spring, summer, and we're into autumn. I don't want to admit it, but I'm a summer boy. I know some of you love your autumn and you love your fires. Yep, I'm getting a big smile and a dance from Brandy back there. You love your sweaters and your boots. I'm a summer boy. Give me summer all year long. I'll accept 2 weeks over Christmas and New Year's where it can be autumnal. Other than that, summer. That's what I want, but that's not how life works. So I gotta roll with it. So we are into the autumn, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. But we've been talking about what we're gonna do. We couldn't wait to get back. We're so excited to bring you this. We hope you're excited. We hope you share it. And like I said, any kind of questions, comments, anything, you know how to reach us. DMs, comments, whatever you need. Let us know. Again, it's going to be up on our website. Randy's going to be doing some fall blog posts. We got all kinds of good things happening. So we'll see you guys around, and I will see you guys Monday when we discuss what a tree is. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Good to be back. Bye now.